Hello, aspirant from medieval Indian history. Today's topic is the rise of Rajputs. After the death of Harsha and disintegration of Pratihara's empire, it resulted in the emergence of various Rajput states resided in Rajasthan and in Indus Plain. Some are like Garhwal of Kannauj, Parmar of Malwa, Chauhan of Ajmer, etc. Rajputs belongs to Kshatriya Varn and further divided into many clans. Mainly Rajput were belonged to two ordered family like Suryavans and Chandravans. But some Rajput says they belong to Agni Kula, like Pratiharas, Chauhan, Solanki, Pawars. They established themselves in central and western India. Some other important kingdoms were Chandelas from Bundelkhand, Ruhelas from Mewar, and Tomar from Haryana and Delhi. Chauhans defeated Tomars and annexed their territory and established in Delhi and Rajasthan. Talking about Chauhans, also known as Chamanas, they were important Rajput kingdoms. They arose after the decline of Gurjara Pratiharas and established near Ajmer. The important and famous king was Prithviraj III, also known as Rai Pithora, born in 1166 CE. His father's name was Someshwar and mother was Rani Karpur Devi. He got the throne at the age of 16 and started the conquest. His territory was flourished in Rajasthan, western UP, northern MP and southern. His poet name was Chand Bardai, who wrote a book on Prithviraj named Prithviraj Rasho. He fought many battles, but the most famous were two, known as Battle of Tarain, fought between Prithviraj and Muhammad Ghori, who was an Afghan and also was the Sultan of Multan. Talking about the first Battle of Tarain in 1191, Prithviraj won and Ghori flew to Afghanistan. Then in second Battle of Tarain in 1192, Muhammad Ghori won and captured Prithviraj and taken to Afghanistan. Ghori placed his slave Kutubuddin Aibak at Delhi, and after that Delhi Sultanate started. His first dynasty was